I'm going to buy an iPad. And it's iPad Pro. Yes, and look at my outfit. So the new iPad, looks like I only have the silver one so. How about the 512? Let me double check. I think I only have the 256 in the silver. That's the only one I can see. My goodness. If you have any color, I'll just grab that one. I've only got the... Thank you so much. So silver iPad, black keyboard. Yeah. And it's the iPad Pro 11. Hey guys, eto na, nabili ko na. Oh my goodness. We're on our way to work kasi 2:30 yung work namin. Anong oras na, girl? 2:12 na. Oh my goodness. Bumili kami ng iPad. Mabilisang bili lang kasi may work na kami. So yun. So guys, watch yung YouTube ko ha.
Para mabakit.
Hoy, kailangan natin ng ROI. Kailangan na natin itong ROI, girl. Watch niyo yung YouTube mga videos ko kasi ang laki na nang nagastos ko. Obliged kayong mag-watch, Charis.